Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been locked out of your Prestashop admin panel because you forgot your password, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process to reset your Prestashop admin password in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll be back in control of your store without any stress. Let's get started. First, head over to your Prestashop admin login page. This is usually something like yourwebsite.com/admin123. Now, under the login form, you'll see a link that says, I forgot my password. Click on that. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address linked to your administrator account. Make sure it's the exact same email you used when creating or managing your store. Once you've entered your email, click Send Reset Link. Prestashop will immediately send a password reset email to your inbox. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or a junk folder. When you find the email, click the reset link provided. This will take you to a page where you can create a brand new password. Choose a strong password with a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your store secure. After setting your new password, go back to your admin login page, enter your email and the new password, and you should now have full access to your Prestashop dashboard again. Now, sometimes you might not receive the reset email due to server issues or incorrect settings. In that case, there's an advanced method using MyAdmin where you can manually reset the password directly in your database. But be careful. This requires technical knowledge, and I recommend doing it only if you're comfortable working with databases or have professional help. And that's it. You now know how to reset your Prestashop admin password in 2025 using both the standard method and the advanced backup option. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Prestashop tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover the database method in detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.